This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sharon Cohan. Custom 3-bedroom 2-bath pool home nestled deep on an oversized lushly landscaped lot. Low community fees.Split floor plan offers vaulted ceilings throughout, 4 walk-in closets, laundry room with newer appliances, wet bar, large secluded screened lanai, hurricane shutters and security system. And #XD and #SAW, great community amenities with surprisingly low HOA dues. Clubhouse, community pool, tennis, and beautifully landscaped paved paths that meander through the neighborhood and around the 2 large lakes with walkout docks, perfect for enjoying spectacular Florida sunsets. Large plaza with grocery store, dining, coffee house, ice cream shop and more is just a quick walk/bike ride away. Located in Naples, close to shopping, restaurants, banking, and medical facilities. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Cohan at 239-370-2323.